Today, we're going to go over how to clean your humidifier. A lot of times people are using these in the winter and are getting ready to store them for spring. So as part of our spring cleaning, let's go over how to clean it. First step is to always turn it off and unplug the machine. Then proceed to take everything apart. To remove the cylinder from inside the removable tray, simply squeeze it inward and pull the tabs out of their slots. This is a good time to assess the mineral buildup on the heating stone or the heating pad. For more stubborn stains like mine, the soaking process may be longer. Grab some distilled white vinegar and fill the reservoir up to the max line. You want to ensure the entire heating pad and the water sensors are covered. Let this sit for 30 minutes minimum. Next, fill the water tank with half to 1 cup of distilled white vinegar and 1 cup of water. Replace the cap and shake the solution around to mix it well and ensure it's touching and disinfecting all the sides of the tank. You can turn it over a few times to get all the areas. Then remove the cap again and let the solution sit in the tank for 30 minutes. While those soak, let's move on to the smaller pieces. Fill your sink with warm water and some dish soap. If you notice mineral buildup on the parts like mine, add in some white vinegar. The acidity will help break this down. Drop the parts in and let them soak for 30 minutes. Checking back on the base, you can see that the vinegar has eaten away a lot of the mineral buildup, but since mine was pretty bad, there is still some remaining. So I'm grabbing a tough scrub brush or a hard toothbrush and scrubbing in circular motions around the heating pad to help break up any remaining buildup. Then, using that small brush, I'm going to scrub the sides and under the water sensors and anywhere else that needs a little extra cleaning. Careful not to get any liquid in the vents or any electrical parts. Wiping down the sides to remove any liquid, and we're going to let this sit a little longer to eat up the remainder of the mineral buildup. Now that it's sat and removed all the buildup, I'll take it to the sink to dump it out. Note that most humidifiers have an arrow on them indicating which side to pour the liquid out in order to avoid mixing the liquid with the electrical parts. Then simply rinse out the base until it no longer smells of vinegar and set aside to dry. Or towel dry it because you never want to store it away with any moisture as this can cause mold and mildew. Next, grab the tank and dump the solution out. Rinse it with the clean water a few times, making sure to swish it around and get all the vinegar out. Once it's clean, set it aside to air dry. Ensure it is fully dry so you're not trapping any moisture in here too. Returning to the sink, grab the small parts out of the soapy water and use a scrub brush or a toothbrush to clean between all the small holes and crevices to remove any remaining buildup. Then go ahead and rinse off the soap and set aside to dry, ensuring all parts are fully dried in the nooks and crannies before reassembling. Now that everything is dry, it's time to reassemble. Replace the rubber piece on the tank cover and screw it back into the water tank. To insert the cylinder into the removable tray, line up the 3 notches on the side with the tab holes on the tray and press in until you hear a click. You'll know it's locked into place when you can no longer easily pull it out. Replace the tray back into the now clean and dry base so the arrows are facing each other. Ensuring your entire water tank is dry, replace it back onto the base and wipe down the exterior if needed. And you're all done. Let's check out that before and after of the heating pad. Wow, your humidifier is clean and ready to be stored away for the season. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cleaning how-tos and tips. Thanks for watching.